States of America. The official party consists of Major General Stephen W. Gillen for the presentation of honors, the invocation delivered by the second. Please be seated. Division Deputy Commanding Officer for Support, Colonel Lance Calvert. Ladies and gentlemen, the Commanding General of the
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So today we welcome Team Calvert as Warrior 6'5". Team Calvert, Lisa and Lance, are repeat offenders in the Republic of Korea. Lance and Lisa, welcome back to the Warrior Division. It's great to have you on the Warrior team, and we look forward to serving with you during your time here. Again, thank you to all who've attended today.
Welcoming me and Lisa back to the 2ID ROC-US combined team and back to the Republic of Korea. It is an incredible day to be back here in the Warrior Division and be a Warrior soldier of this historic combined division. Lisa and I are extremely happy to be here, forward deployed in the Republic of Korea on this amazing Warrior team of ROC soldiers, U.S. soldiers, civilians, family members, and our ROC military and community partners that just makes an assignment here so special.